Hi, you're here with Emily Kern from Talent Financial, and today I'm going to give a high level overview of our budgeting tool. I know that budgeting isn't the most exciting thing you could be doing right now, but saving money and gaining control of your finances is exciting, and that's what we hope this tool will help you to do. It's designed to give you a comprehensive, detailed picture of your finances without needing any prior knowledge of Excel. We spent hundreds of hours developing this budget to give you the best functionality possible and make it easy to use. So don't waste your time starting from scratch. Let's get started. What you see here is the home page. When you first download the budget, this tab will be the only tab you see. You will click to create your budget, and it'll ask you some questions in order to generate the remaining tabs. So we have a separate tutorial for creating your budget for the first time. In order to just give you an overview, we have some dummy data that we've imported into this budget to show you what it will look like once you've used the budget for a few months. These gray tabs represent your bank accounts. So you will have the option to import transactions from your online bank accounts, meaning you won't have to manually type in every transaction, which will save you loads of time. Or if you would rather import them manually or type them in manually, you can do that also. So this is what it will look like. You can enter the transactions every day, every week, every month, however often you choose, and then you will categorize your transactions. So once you have the data imported, this will actually be blank when you first start, and then you will go in and choose the category that best describes that transaction. So there will be default categories already imported in here that you can choose from, or you can edit or add to those categories in order to fit your needs. This categorize similar transactions button will allow you to, do just that, categorize similar transactions. So we see here that we got gas at QT on August 14th, and then we went again on the 22nd, and then again in September. So rather than having to go in and categorize every time you go to QT to get gas, when you click this button, it automatically fills in gas as the category. So that will save you loads of time, especially the more transactions you're importing into your budget. The green tabs are the analysis tabs. So based on the categories you choose, the green tabs will pull in the information from your gray tabs to generate helpful information for you. You do not have to enter any formulas or manually put in any information. It will automatically pull this information in. So as you can see, you can view monthly and yearly summaries of your spending. There is a dashboard tab that has graphs to give you a visual representation of your data. So here we see a September 2018 expense breakout. We have yearly and monthly income. We can change these filters to pull out the relevant information that we need. And then we have a net worth tab that calculates your net worth based on your assets, which is what you own, and then your liabilities, which is what you owe. So going back to this monthly tab, you can set budget amounts each month as targets that you'd like to hit. So let's say for our purposes, we see that it is August 2018. Here are the amounts that we budgeted, and here is what we actually spent based on our bank account transactions. So we set a food budget of $400 a month. Here we can see that at the end of August 2018, we spent $391.25. So this bar is green, showing you that you stayed within your budget for that month. If you spent over your budgeted amount, then the bar would be red. So this is a very great way over time to easily see which categories you're spending too much in, which ones that you're consistently hitting or staying under, and then allowing you to reevaluate your budget for those categories. So, as a wrap up here, we hope you find this tool to be easy to use, efficient, and eye opening. It may seem like budgeting is just a way to set limits on yourself, but it's actually very freeing. As an example, before we started budgeting, I felt guilty every time I spent money on clothes. But now that I have a budgeted amount every month for clothing, I feel free to spend up to that amount on clothes, and I don't feel bad because it's built into our budget. So, let that be an encouragement to you. We hope this tool will provide you with freedom and the ability to gain control of your finances. So feel free to utilize our blog articles as additional resources and reach out if you have any questions. We hope that you will utilize our free trial option so you can try this budget for yourself and let us know how we can help you with that process. Thanks so much.